Make a great choice today with the 2017 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, mini spare tire, tires front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.